clients coming to me, I heard from my friend or from this company that you're making websites or that you're doing this, and he said you're good, can you do it also for me? Like that. And sometimes I think I'm shifting more from the agency. I want to show myself more as an expert than
consultancy based.
Yes.
Okay, so like a consultancy firm.
Yeah, I would like to call it, I prefer the word coaching.
Coaching.
What's really my value? What's my added value to clients?
Yeah.
Because one thing you have also more here than compared to Belgium is there's a lot of more competition here.
Absolutely.
Especially in online digital marketing and these things. So I was thinking, okay, what makes a difference? Why clients would choose or choose even for me? So I checked also, I talked to clients and everything. And my added value is really thinking with the client, the strategical part. And at the same time, I noticed that everyone knows what social media is, and everyone knows or thinks that it's just posting a picture and writing a caption and there you go and the leads will come in. But it's not like that. And I noticed that a lot of people don't even know the basics. For me, that are the basics, but for them, on management level a lot, to be honest, they don't know, and because of that, they missing a lot of opportunities. They losing a lot of opportunities, conversions and everything, and leads. On the other hand, I would also like to point out, because I noticed also here in Dubai, there is a big misunderstanding about these numbers. People, clients on all these network events always coming back to me saying like, this account has 5 million followers and this only 2,000. This 2,000, it's worthless. We have to go with it. I say no. It has nothing to do with that. First of all, you can buy all these followers.
Yes.
And secondly, it's not about the
engagement rate.
Yes, it's about the engagement rate. And they grow their business. So that's why,
That's the thing. Business owners often think that they save time and maybe money as well by purchasing ready-made third-party data. But in the end of the day, it's actually the longest. You will delay your results with this way, and you're not really buying any kind of quality leads are not bought. And in the end of the day, you'll have to start over again. And the best way is organic. Yes, it's gonna take you maybe 3 months to get the number of those contacts, but those will be a really good 100% quality number.
And if you want to pay, then you can always pay for the advertisement, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. But you must know that once you stop paying, also the leads will stop coming. That's why I always tell my clients, it's not only paid ads, it's not only doing lead generation campaigns on Facebook, it's also organic. It's not
interesting customer story that happened to you, any kind of big names or cool projects you worked on?
Very nice client. My passion field, the tennis. BNP Paribas, Fortis, the Belgian brand.
The BNP Paribas.
the huge bank.
Yes.
So they are also supporting tennis already for 50 years, by the way, this year.
They do.
Happy birthday. And many years ago, with Tennis Plaza, our tennis news website, they contacted me to set up a collaboration.
Nice.
They sponsored Tennis Plaza for several years. They have their We Are Tennis Facebook community and Instagram community. And we delivered news to their community manager. We built a website, we did a PR, sending out press releases, etc.
Nice.
Literally 2 months ago, they contacted me again for their We Are Tennis project. But I mean, this kind of stories and this kind of clients and projects keep you strong and keep you going, because you know, if you put effort, if you work hard, and if you keep believing in what you're doing, they will always come back and it will always come back to you.
So Christophe here personally knows Lady Gaga, the Lady Gaga. Can you tell us the story, how it happened?
I had a full-time job as a journalist for a teenage magazine in Belgium, and Lady Gaga came to perform in Belgium. And she landed on Brussels airport.
Here is a proof, the picture.
So we had to always make a picture or giving them the magazine or a copy of the magazine and then let them pose with the magazine. And I had a picture with Lady Gaga and me. I put the magazine in front, I made a selfie, and a nice thing, it was the end of the line, it was close to the opposite of the street, so all the photographers, professional photographers, were also making the picture.
Nice.
So the picture with the magazine was in all the papers, the day after, so it was good promotion for the magazine also.
Very good. because you're a journalist. That's awesome. Like deep inside, your passion is journalism as well.
Yes, it's all about telling stories. Tons of products, companies, they have their product, they have their ID, but they don't know how to bring it or to sell it to their audience. A lot of times they don't even know who their audience is.
Exactly.
And there I want to be the bridge, and there I want to help and coach and guide them.
Beautifully said.
Yes.
Absolutely. And to conclude with this, what would be your main recommendations, advice, that you've been in different continents, you work with different clients, pretty much from different industries, you have from different backgrounds, personally know Lady Gaga, and now you're friends with the tennis superstars. What would be your main advice to the rising digital marketeers?
Believe in what you do and believe in your own vision. There are a lot of people, and it's not just in marketing, but in all businesses, like they following the rules, they following what they studied, but they follow too less their own feeling and their own guts. And if you think this is not good, or you think this can work, then try it, then experiment.
Thank you, Christophe. It was really nice to have you here.
Thank you so much for having me, and you have an amazing living room.
Thank you. Yes, this is my offices.
Yes, wow.
You're always welcome.
I think I will pass by.
We are in the same co-working space. Okay, now we can.
I'm asking 10, but she's asking $20,000. So you see what it can bring.